This is the Everything Tutor. So in this video, I'll teach you how to use shengqian, which is to save money or really to economize. So let's look at examples. So let's look at number one. 每个星期少开一天车，一年可以省不少钱. So every week, if you less drive one day, so if you don't drive one day, but this is not really important to this sentence, 一年可以省不少钱. A year, you can. And then 省 and 钱, you put what you're saving in between the 省 and the 钱. So here it's saying you can save 不少, which is not a little bit, it's just the opposite of 多, which is a lot of. So this is the same as saying 省多钱. So the most important thing here is to know that whatever you're saving goes in between the 省 and the 钱. 这件衬衫这么大五折，可以省30块钱. So this shirt, weekend, is half off, which I'll teach how to use this structure in a different video. But 可以省30块钱. So this means you can, and then recall you put what you're saving in between the 省 and the 钱. So here you're saving 30块, which is $30. So you can save $30. Now let's look at the last example. 我去年住在中国，吃饭很便宜，省了很多钱. So again, we're saying what we can save between 省 and 钱. So the sentence means, I last year lived in China. Food was very cheap. I saved a lot of money. The la is here to indicate that you did it in the past. And it's just saying here that you saved a lot in between the sheng and the qian. The most important takeaway from this video is that you know that whatever you're saving goes in between the sheng and the qian. So if you're saving $10, 10块钱, shengqian means to save money, and you quantify whatever amount of money you're saving in between sheng and qian.